made a video showing how to get CapCut Pro for free, lifetime access. I've gone through the comments, and while many were positive, a few were negative too. But hey, no matter how you did it, if it worked for you, congratulations. If it didn't, no worries, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you a second method to access CapCut Pro features for free. No need to download an old version, no watermark on your exported videos, and the best part? It works with the latest version of CapCut. So go ahead and uninstall any older version you've been using and update to the new one. Just make sure you don't skip any part of this video, or you might miss a step and get stuck. Plus, I've got a bonus surprise for you at the end, so stick around and let's get started. Now open your CapCut application. As you can see, I'm using version 6.2.0. I stopped using the older version ever since I discovered this method. Let me walk you through the process. First, I'll create a new project and import a sample video for this tutorial. Now, I'll add all the Pro features to this video, starting with text. All the Pro features are marked with a diamond icon. Next, I'll add stickers, effects, transitions, and finally, animation. For this tutorial, I won't be using captions. Let's try exporting the video now. As you can see, because I've used Pro features, CapCut won't let me export the video unless I either subscribe to Pro or go back and remove those features. But here's the trick. Please pay close attention. This part is very important, so don't skip any steps. Just follow me carefully. Here's what you need to do. Select the entire editing timeline or simply press Ctrl+A. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip, Sub-Project. This will combine all the edits into one. Once it's done, right-click on the compound clip again and select Pre-Process Compound Clip, Sub-Project. Wait for the processing to reach 100%. Now follow these next steps. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. Type %app data% and click OK. In the File Explorer window, click App Data at the top. Go to Local CapCut User Data. Scroll down and open the Projects folder. Open the first folder you see. This contains the project code, which is created during processing. Navigate to Resources, Combination. Here you'll find your video, just like I've found mine. And the best part? You can even watch it from here. Now import this video into your CapCut media library. Drag it onto the timeline and click Replace Clip. Let's export it now. And boom, no issues at all. You now have full access to Pro features. Completely free, no subscription, no watermark, and no need to go back and edit anything. Just name your video and export. Your video is now successfully exported. Here's a bonus tip. Go back to the first folder you opened. It's called ComEvEditor Draft. Right-click on it, move the pointer to Send To, and choose Desktop, Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut for easy access, so you won't have to repeat these steps again next time. Now, I'll test this method with a new video. I'll use the same video and apply just one Pro feature. This time, I'll open the shortcut on the desktop, and there it is. The processed video is ready. It's that simple. If you found this helpful and interesting, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with others, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.